Hi everyone, it's Lynn Simon here from Wealthy Affiliate. And today I wanted to show you something really cool about Google Adsense. Now, previously Google Adsense, you had to add each ad individually into each place where you wanted it to show. On one website I had shortcodes created so I could just type, ads 2 or ads 1 in little brackets and have the correct ad come up. But on two of my other websites, I had to add physically the code in each time to each place where I wanted it. Now, Google AdSense has come up with something really cool that is called auto ads. So what I want to show you is my this website. I have added auto ads to a while ago. And what this means is you place the auto ad code on your website, and from then on, Google AdSense just automatically places all the adverts in the prime places where it will get the most conversions for you. And you don't have to do anything else at all. Just have a look. Okay, so there's one ad. And, oh, there's another one. They popped two in there. That's interesting. And there was one showing at the top here in my bar. But I've noticed that with my, what's this, ad block, sometimes it does funny things with the ads. But if we go look in this article over here, I never added any ads into this article myself. There we go. There's an ad coming up now. There. And it's popped one over there. And I think if I just let it load, one will probably come up here as well, because that'll be why there's a space over there. So, this is really nice and nifty, because I found that, often I would also forget to add an advert into my article. And sometimes I was worried about having too many ads. There was, at one stage, they said that you could have 3 ads showing on each post or page or whatever on your website. Then they changed it and they said that it's not specifically 3 ads. It's kind of related to the quality of your content, the amount of content you have, etc. So, for example, if you've got a 5,000 word post, you can put in a lot more ads. But they didn't actually specify how many ads you could put in. And remember, if you over ad your website, Google AdSense is going to suspend your account. If you put a foot wrong, they suspend your account. So Google AdSense is very sticky. And from what I hear is, once they've suspended your account, it's like quite hard to get your account back into, approval and all of that. So, yeah, this website now, I don't have to worry about monetizing any of my posts or anything with Google Ads anymore. Okay, so now I've got, this is my new website, lynnhaysalmon.com, and I'm going to add Google Auto Ads to this just to show you how it's done. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just take my URL and I'm going to go into Google AdSense and I'm going to go to my settings on the left, and for some reason you've got to click on account. Oops, what account? There, my sites. I'm just going to quickly add this new website in. You've got to have it added to your list. So there now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 websites. Where's my other one? Don't I have another one? I think I'm confused. Okay. 2, 4, 5. I've got 5 websites. That's quite a bit. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my ads. And it comes up automatically on auto ads. But I just wanted to show you first ad units. This is where I always used to go. I would create different size ads. And then I would, they're all listed here. And then you would have to click on get code. And copy that code and go and put that code in your sidebar, in your header, in your post or wherever. That's what I used to have to do with every single post. What I do now is I click on auto ads and then you click on this, change your global settings. I think it's that what you do. Just wait. Save. No. Now I'm confusing myself. Oh, set up auto ads. There. Huh. Okay, so if you want to edit your ads that show, I can go there and say, oh, I don't want text and display ads. Well, I do. I've just ticked everything because I want as many ads as possible and to make as much money as possible. And what Google will do is they will figure out what ads are best to show to your audience. So that's fine. I've just left it on absolutely everything. And then you click on Set Up Auto Ads over here. And you take this code. Oops. Have I got all of it? Yeah. So you take this code over here, and we're going to go put that into the header of our website. Oops, I just need to open my website. Give me a second. I need to open the back end. Okay, so here we are. We're just waiting for my website. Okay. Now, if you've seen my previous training, I'll put a link in this video. It's best to use a plugin to add stuff to your header because number one, when your website updates, it could reset all the code, and then you've got to come back and put your code back in. And number two, going into your header PHP file is just not a safe place to be. If you stuff up that code, you could kill your entire website. So I'm going to go from click on settings, and then I'm going to go to insert headers and footers. I'm going to check this, what it says here. Copy paste this code between the head tags of your website. Yes, that's your header. Okay, so I'm going to go in here where it says script in header, and I'm going to paste this little bit of code over there, and I'm going to click save. Let's just see what else it says. See our code information card. Okay. So now what this is going to do is it's going to take my website. It's usually not immediate. It usually takes a while for all the ads to start showing. But it's going to take my website here, and it's going to start adding adverts in. Of course, I don't have any content on this website, so I'm not quite sure where it's going to stick the ads, but it'll probably be like in the header and the sidebar and that sort of thing. And once you've done this, you don't have to worry about Google Ads on your website. You just have to worry about creating your content, which makes it so much easier. I hope you guys have enjoyed this training. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I will come back to you as soon as possible.